Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm not really playing this game. It's gonna be my sister is gonna be playing this game, but I want to see how good she is at this game. It's kind of a little baby game, but you know, just to have fun. We're just gonna let her play this game. So I'm gonna give her I'm gonna give this thing to play. I want to see how good she is at this thing. So let's go. Oh, you're almost there. Oh my god. That's hard. Are you really good at this or something? Whoa. Go. You missed that.
I can't go to there. Oh my goodness, guys, it's so hard. I play this game, I've been
like every single day. Go down. You get this you change. Oh my god. What? Don't scream. I hate when you're playing a game and I'm really scared and you scream instead of me screaming. I'm like, shut up. Oh, you wanna keep going?
Yeah.
Save me.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's wrong.
Shut up.
I have to take an ad. You gotta wait for a few minutes. I don't know about this game. I don't really play this game a lot. She's a big fan of this game. Duh.
No, I don't want to play this. Go. Play. There you go.
You like the white dog. He's so cute.
Yeah, he's cute. I don't want a sweet dog.
You started over.
Oh, shit. Yes.
So I think this is the end. So I'm gonna have to stop. Yes. So thank you if you watched this video. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.